Welcome back, Poppers, and welcome back to Chainsaw Men. This is episode 3.
Meowie's whereabouts. Meowies. Meowies.
Meowies. If you guys want to see the full reaction, go ahead and check it out on the Patreon, and we're going to hop right into this episode. Without further ado, let's get started.
Purple gut.
That's a terrible way to die.
Oh, she's here.
Yeah, what is she thinking? Yeah.
Oh, dang.
Oh, she's in trouble. I told you. She was a blood devil.
Lies!
Oh, don't blame it on him.
Liar!
You're arrested right now.
Shitty liar.
Okay, she listens though.
She has like a calm energy about
She
energy.
does. I like her voice in Japanese.
Yeah. Oh boy, the boobs.
Oh, vending machine.
He got money for a drink.
Now he does. She must not have no money.
Girl, what do you want in there?
Oh,
Oh,
cat.
a cat.
He's drinking water? Don't tell me she's gonna eat the cat.
It really is.
Oh shit. Okay, good. I hate humans.
Demonic instinct.
She hate devils too.
Ooh. Sad.
Oh, he does.
He does. Little does he know.
Fondle some boobs. After retrieving
Meowie from that devil.
He's like, what? I'll do anything for that. I say no. Oh, she's not allowed to. Hey, she got a curfew. Okay.
You better be right about this.
But it's cool. Does she not know that he has devil powers?
No.
I don't think she knows. He got the axe out just all in
You
public.
never know. Military use.
Any enemies? And what is that?
The girl.
He's talking about Denji.
Don't grow attached. Uh-oh.
I feel like that's gonna be hard for her. I feel like she is gonna grow attached.
To Denji?
I feel like it. Both of them, Denji and Power.
Yeah. Yeah, why? No response?
No response. There's a coffee devil? There's a devil for everything, huh?
Yeah, and a chainsaw's terrifying.
I think you. He is.
Really doubts him.
He just don't like him.
Yeah, I don't think he does.
See? A stupid brat.
Because I feel like somebody like Denji, who has like all these first time opportunities, like those are the people who really cherish like what they've been given.
Yeah.
You know?
That is true. Oh, hell no. It looks like there's a devil in there.
This plan is a little bit sketch, though.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie. Just for a little touch of some boobs, Denji. Oh no.
She don't believe that he's a devil too. Yeah, you did say that. What do you mean you misspoke?
You misspoke. Girl, where did you take us?
Oh shit, this is a setup. Damn, she hit him fast.
No way.
Oh, she turned on him. She's a freaking snake.
What?
And she dragged him into the house. What the fuck is in the house?
What? Oh, I did not think it was going this way.
Me.
Dude, she's a freaking traitor.
Maybe she's trying to trade him for the cat. Oh shit, he looks scary. What the fuck? My first meal in ages.
Oh no.
Denji, wake up. What the fuck? He looks like a bat.
She called him a bat. Food shouldn't speak.
Disgusting.
Yeah, because he's a hybrid.
Yeah. But it worked though. His arm grew back. Oh, he's out now.
With another human.
He doesn't have no wings though. Denji, you need to change, bro.
I wonder what Power's thinking. Dang. All of this friggin' Denji for some boobs.
There was no cat? There was really no cat.
No cat. It was made up. It was
What
a lie.
the heck? Oh, he does have wings.
Oh no. Oh no.
He's a bad devil. Oh.
Oh, the cat is
Oh,
real.
it is a cat. Don't tell me he ate the cat. Oh. He kept the cat in a cage.
No. Oh wow. Oh.
Oh, he ate the freaking cat. Whoa, what the? That's her?
That's her. Out in the wild. Oh, this cat was freaking frail and needed food.
Yeah, and she's naked, bro. Before I feast. Was she gonna eat the cat? She was gonna eat that fucking cat. But she fell in love with the cat. He cut the cat's head off.
The cow?
Yeah, did you see that?
Yeah. The freak? Yo, this girl's like so creepy.
What the devil? So that's
Oh
okay.
man.
And he freaking ate the cat.
He's not just human, girl.
This is an awful feeling. Oh, eat her too?
Whoa!
What the fuck? You need to get him before he flies off. Oh, did you see Denji jumped on?
A virgin?
This
He's a
show,
predator!
this show is dark, bro.
And pregnant women for dessert. Oh! Oh no!
Look, I told you, Denji jumped on.
Give
My tits back.
Wow!
ポチタがいなくなった時があった。
Transform.
街中を探しても見つからない。
Oh, he pulled it.
悪魔に食われちまったって思ったけど、
He loved him.
あいつはニャーコを悪魔に奪われて。
Yeah.
See all that blood?
Yeah. No, I think that's why he tries to savor it.
Cut off that arm again. Are you surprised, huh? I knew it was gonna fall through the freaking building. Get up, Denji. Yeah, run.
てめん腹裂いて胸もむんだよ。
Hell yeah. Get him, Denji. Bro, the damage they're doing is fucking insane.
Come on, get this freaking bat. Oh no, humans.
He protects humans, though.
He does, yeah.
Oh no. Oh, the chainsaw retracted. Oh, he's stuck in there. Damn.
Whoa. Ha ha ha! What the heck?
Oh, what kind of fucking power is that?
What
Like
was
some
that?
like subsonic, like I don't know.
That looked weird.
Oh no.
散々な目ばっかあってよ。我慢しかしてねえのに。
His fingers are broken. You see that shit?
Ew, yes.
Ah,
And this freaking bat.
that's badass right there. Look, got him stunned. Are you scared?
He is! Dodged it.
Cut him open.
It's over.
Yeah, it's over for you, bro. Terrible way to die. Shit. Did he chop his head off?
Sliced him open.
Where's Power and her cat?
I don't know. They fly out.
Dude, and that's the end of the episode. Oh shit. Bro, this show looks
The intro
dark.
and outro is like honestly so scary.
This shit's dark.
It is dark. That looked like a devil.
The soundtrack go crazy though. Well, KP, that was the end of
Whew.
episode 3. What did you think?
Freaking Power is a traitor.
She is.
So
She is.
literally the whole time, I wonder how Miss Mikami? Is that what was that her name?
Mikama.
Mikame?
Makima, I think.
Well, anyways, I wonder how she ended up finding Power, or how Power ended up finding her. Because clearly this was a whole setup the whole time, because she told the bats, or the bat told her, oh, it took you long enough to get your freedom.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So she was playing the part.
She was playing the part. Overall, I like the show. I'm intrigued to watch it. I mean, this season has 12 episodes.
Mm-hmm.
How many seasons do they have?
I think it's just this one.
Damn, just this one? Wow. Overall, I like it. I'm intrigued. I'm excited to keep watching, guys. If you guys want to follow our journey, go over there and check it out on the Patreon. And we will see you in episode 4. Last episode, KP, we left off of Denji and Power going on a little side quest to get her cat back so he can
get some action.
Honk, honk, honk. Okay? And then it ends up Power set him up pretty much.
Yep.
You know.
And then the bat actually set Power up.
Yeah, the Bat Devil ate
it was
the
a
cat
ripple effect.
and then ate her. So, and then Denji chopped Sui,
Yep.
the Bat Devil, and we left off there. And KP, without further ado, let's get started. Who's this? Oh, that's Power. Oh, she's the Blood Devil, right?
Mm-hmm.
She's like a vampire.
Ew,
And
is she eating?
animals?
It looked like it was eating its freaking booty.
Whoa, what the heck?
That is horrendous. You nasty girl.
That's a terrible way to die. And the cat's going low.
Look, the cat is malnutrition. The cat is starved.
Dude, she's carrying the bear's head around. Cat's
needs
like,
food
give me some of that
too."
bear head. Oh, she got manipulated.
Oh.
死は平等に軽い。たかが猫じゃん。
Oh.
ニャーコを助けるため。
Ah,
Ow.
バカみたいな理由じゃん。
such a foolish reason.
血は好きじゃん。
I love blood. She's like a vampire.
死を感じるのも。それで最近初めて分かったんじゃ。血は温かくて
The blood is warm.
気持ちがいい。
She fell in love with the cat.
The cat's
Oh,
fat
look,
now.
that's inside the belly. He saved her.
なぜ
Oh, shit. He chopped him up.
鬼を殺そうとしたのに。
That's
He's
all
like,
he
you
wanted
still
to do.
owe me.
バカみたいな理由
Such
じ
a
ゃん。
foolish reason. You think she gonna let him do it?
I mean, he did save her after all. I don't know.
They didn't show it?
騙してすまんかった。ニャーコは助かったからな。胸は揉ませてやるよ。
Oh,
Oh,
you made
yes.
fun of my chest. Yeah, I feel like he's not gonna want to do it no more.
Oh, maybe
we
not.
spoke too soon. What the fuck?
What the heck?
What the hell happened? That
What was
hurt.
that?
What is that? It took his hand.
What the heck?
That
Is that a
worm got
freaking
hair.
earthworm?
Dude, and it ate his hand. What the heck? Look at the freaking
Ew.
nipples.
動けっか。
指も動かせん。
Not even a finger.
こう連れて逃げとくれ。
Don't worry. He got you, girl. He's transforming. This is Chainsaw Man now.
I wonder if
出ね
Oh.
not enough
血
chainsaw.
が足りねえのか。
Oh, he's low on blood. Man, that
見
sucks.
つけたのにあんたでしょコウモリちゃん殺したの私の男
He was,
He was my man. Oh, damn. She getting revenge.
よく見ると可愛い顔好みの顔してるから逃がしてよ
You're my type, so I'll let you go.
この奴らは。
殺す
Oh, no.
Are you
Yeah.
ready?
死にな
Whoa.
Come on. Come on, Denji. Ah,
Oh.
he needs to like regenerate some more blood so he can get the chainsaw out.
Yeah. He does. Oh my gosh, run.
I wonder how he can get past that because how is you supposed to like fight back-to-back battles. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
たかが胸を揉むためにこんな戦えるのか
Oh wow.
Nice. Oh shit.
Oh no.
こんな子犬ちゃんにコウモリは殺されちゃったの？
He's weak.
コウモリは私と一緒に人間をすべて食べ
Killing and eating all humanity. Oh yeah, she has to die.
それを子犬程度にぶち壊された。殺すのはもったいない顔だけど死んでちょうだい。
But you still need to die.
ね揉む前に死ねかよ。
低俗な欲望を持つやつに殺されたものね。かわいそう、コウモリ。
バカみたいな理由じゃな
Yeah, maybe he's
全員本気なんだよ。
maybe he's like locking in now, seeing like, okay, maybe I should not only that should not be my motivation.
Right.
You know?
Ugh.
Oh, did he use his head to cut?
Yeah.
みんな俺にやること見下しやがってよ。復讐だの、家族守りたいだの、猫救うだの、ああだのこうだの。
Oh, he had enough.
じゃあ夢バトルしようぜ、夢バトル。
A dream battle.
てめえの夢、胸揉むこといかねえ。
I'll be you up then. Bro, this show is sick.
Oh, that thing looks so
You see
weird.
them things slanging. Looks disgusting.
Sliding all in those intestines. Oh wait, this is smart. This is smart. He's gonna wrap her up.
Nice.
Yes.
Woo! Oh, you felt that, huh? Damn, she gave him
my
a fucking
gosh.
4-piece combo.
Ew, that eye's coming out.
Come on, Power, wake up.
I
Get
know.
up.
Do something here.
Oh no, you see that?
Oh no, he's going crazy maniac mode. You see that eyeball?
Yeah, I seen it.
That means business.
Bro, that eyeball started to shake. Oh yeah.
Oh, disgusting. Oh no!
Oh, she stabbed him right through the chest.
With her tongue.
いただきま
Ooh, what's this? Oh.
Oh, Aki. He's
Whoa!
damn. Dude, he can conjure a wolf like that?
こいつは昼の悪魔だね。
She's the leech devil.
よし。
Whoa. That was so freaking cool. Yo, we
That
got a
was
whole freaking...
badass.
お前と血の魔人は
Yeah, they need to be debriefed.
He's so cute.
病院で健康状態の確認。
All right, at least they sent him to a veterinarian. Jesus Christ. What did I say? Is those some apples?
お前の腕、
I found your arm.
輸血したらくっついたらしい。
Oh, wow.
Nice.
おめえだって悪魔と仲良く話してただろ。俺は見てたぜ。俺は狐の悪魔と契約している。力を借りる代わりに体の一部を狐に食わせる契約だ。今回は皮膚を食わした。はあ、痛そう。悪魔は常に人の死を望む。パワーはいいやつだぜ。
Even though she was trying to sacrifice you.
Yeah. She forgives him. He forgives her.
それに、コウモリの悪魔が潜んでいたと思われる家には、お前の血が大量に落ちていた。お前、血の魔人に殺されそうになっただろう。
She did.
Yeah.
お前はまた悪魔に肩入れしているな。さあ、どうでしたかな。
チェンソーの人に直接お会いしたいと。
悪魔に会社で食っちまうぞって言われて逃げたんですけど、
男の命なんて知るかって。悪魔が俺ごと車を投げたんだ。
See? Did you hear that?
俺がもっと詳しく調べて上に報告すれば、血の魔人も、それをかばったお前も処分、探し者も出なかったし、お前が一つだけ条件を飲むなら、
Okay, what is it?
Okay, what?
俺の言うことは素直に聞くこと。
You need to do what I tell you.
俺はお前より先輩だし、社会正義も持っているつもりだ。 俺の言うこ
Okay.
とを聞いていればお前は今の生活を守れるぜ。
So just listen to him?
分かったら返事。おう、頭に入れといてやら。
So is that a yes? Are you gonna do it?
あんたらみてえにご立派な目標はねえし、しょぼい夢しかねえけどよ。てめえと同じぐらい。俺、
Oh, he is serious.
どーんと期待しといてくれ。
You can count on me.
とりあえず、敬語を覚えとけ。おう。
Yeah, I'll think about it.
He has no home training.
None. I mean, he pretty much raised himself, though.
He did.
You know?
わかったらさっさとこれを外せ。本当にいいのかな。
俺たちはデビルハンターです。あくまでも魔人でも、使えるもんは何でも使うべきだ。
Oh, okay.
敵、利用するだけです。
They're just making
Oh.
use of
慣
him.
れ合うつもりはないですよ。
Yikes.
Yeah, he said, like, we're not friends, bro. I'll take you out if I need to.
Yeah.
So is he about to go debrief Makima? Oh.
Oh.
He didn't even knock. Oh, he fixed himself first. He said, I gotta make sure I look good for my girl.
Right.
Girl, I mean, dude, he ain't worried about you.
Oh, she looks like she's smiling.
Bro, I can't read her. You know?
Yeah.
エリアの外に出てしまっていたそうで、そこで超悪い悪魔が住んでるっぽい家を発見し、コウモリの悪魔と遭遇したそうです。今度はヒルの悪魔の襲撃を受けましたが、
The leech devil.
またコウモリヒルからは共に銃の肉片は発見されませんでした。報告は以上です。
Ooh.
He didn't tell her about.
ご苦労様。でもデンジ君とパワー知らず知らずのうちにそんなに遠くまで行っちゃったんだね。
Yeah, they kind of did.
巡回エリア内からの逸脱は違反行為だけど。
So they broke regulations.
かとして悪魔2体の駆除もできましたが、不問にしてよろしいかと。
Oh, I don't know how she
Uh-oh.
feels about that.
では、失礼します。
早川君も少し頭が柔らかくなった？
Yes. Right.
一緒に住んでる影響かな。
She's not dumb. She's so smart.
He said, I doubt it, though. Maybe he don't want to admit it.
Of course not. Because I feel like typically he's very like by the rule book. You know?
Yeah.
Very much.
Is that a VHS player?
Ooh, I like that.
A nice sunny morning. What a cool breeze. He about to make him some coffee. Look at that.
Oh, and he's grinding his beans.
That's so cool. I just made coffee this morning.
Oh, he's doing a pour over.
Yeah.
So professional.
Dude, that is so cool that they add this into the anime.
Onto the patio.
Yo. Look, got him a chair and a table. He's about to read the newspaper. Oh, but he
Oh, and
smoked
he
cigarettes.
smokes.
Ah, fuck. You ruined it. Denji. I forgot they still live together.
I know. Putting his hair up.
Do you like his hairstyle?
I think it looks so funny that it just sticks straight up.
Is he eating toast and jam? Bro got so many different variations of jam.
Potato, onion.
What's his name? Aki?
Yeah.
So put together.
So put together.
You think that's power?
悪魔か？
Yo, what is up with this? Oh,
That is freaking power.
狭い家じゃの。
she's moving in.
Don't tell me she's moving in.
He's gonna lose his
早川
mind.
君ちの部屋一つパワーちゃんに貸してほしい。
Oh no.
No.
デンジ君とパワーちゃんのいい首輪になれるからね。
No.
Bro.
家にやばいやつばかり集めるんですか？
私が早川君を一番に信用して。
Oh, she trusts him. He's like,
Oh no.
he's like, no, please, no.
心配しなくてもパワーちゃんいい子にできるって言ってたから。
She's
you believe
already not
that?
behaving.
She's like, I don't want to eat that crap.
野菜を投げるな。てめえ。
Oh no,
He's
girl.
like the dad, and he got 2 kids that he didn't ask for. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
せんだよ。
風呂はたまにしか入らんはじゃ。
せんだよ。
なんちゃうなら。
Even Denji's like, girl.
No,
And
for real.
Denji's a mess. The eye twitch.
Dude,
I feel it.
I can't believe it. Look, he can't believe it either.
そう流せねえのか悪魔は野菜も残すしおいクソ悪魔てめえ
Shit devil.
That's
I
nasty.
swear.
あ
Is she bribing him?
約束
She
だった
is.
だろ目を揉ませてやるから揉め
Oh! No way, they just bounced. She's closing the door.
What the fuck? What is this? He don't know how to act.
ど
No!
うした嬉しいじゃろ
Yo,
He's
Deji,
sweating.
Deji's about to pass out.
じゃが条件がある胸を揉んでいい回数は
Three
Three.
squeezes.
3もみ
にゃーこを助けたのが一もみ
Okay. And what's the third one?
ちょんまげからわしをかばってくれたので三もみじゃ
Oh
That-
my gosh.
What is that? What was the third one?
うぬの頑張りに報いての三もみありがたく揉むんじゃな
He can't believe this.
Is he gonna do it though?
He's in love.
She's an angel.
He's in love now. Well, that was episode 4. Dude, I can't believe Makima is ponding all
All these, the two
mean,
psychos.
yeah, the two
to Aki.
psychos. Aki, yeah.
And he's so organized, clean, put together, has his life together. Like, you know, it's giving
Yeah.
like
They showed that for a reason, bro.
right,
They
right.
showed that for a reason. He's over here chopping, peeling his vegetables, cooking, got his coffee.
Enjoying
you know,
the breeze outside,
Yeah, read
laundry.
his newspaper. You know, and
then
then you
here
got
these two.
Denji come crawling, acting like a freaking wild animal. And then Makima sends Power.
And Power literally breaks the doorknob.
Power
open.
is also a wild animal too.
Yeah, but you know that it's bad when Denji is getting irritated with her.
Yeah.
Because he's
Yeah.
a maniac.
And
as
then
well.
what the heck? Power just come in the bathroom, bouncing her chest like.
Right, when he's in the middle of cleaning her turd stains on the toilet. And he completely forgot about that.
Bro, I think low key they're gonna fall in love with each other. Low key.
You think so?
I don't know. Do you?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know
'cause
about that.
I feel, or maybe his heart's still set on Makima. But like, I feel like he can't even handle a woman like Makima. She's top dog.
No, she is.
You know what I'm saying? All right, guys. We will see you in episode 5.
Mhm.
Peace.
Peace.